Hello and welcome to a new video about dashcams. You see, it was cold. It was the dashcam moments of February and March 2023. Here, the invisible car, really far inside my street, my side, but alright. Can happen, right? This is somebody who really was in a hurry, it seems. So this guy was then really fast, or I don't know if it was a he or she, yeah, but really fast. And then some minutes later, 5 minutes maybe, in the city before me, the same person, yeah, this is the courthouse here, probably he needs to get to some, I don't know, trial. Maybe because of speeding. Yeah, beautiful winter day, not really winter anymore, already a little bit spring. Turning left, but cutting the side, you see? Ooh, this is the wrong side, actually, where this person was driving. Nobody was hurt. Here, my daily work way. I always stay here on the left side because I have to go left on the next traffic light. Right, so I always stay on the left side, and well, this person was not happy with it. But you have seen in front there is somebody. There was already somebody. So he tried to overtake me on the right side, but there was another person. I don't know if this person have seen until and now it's squeezing in. Again squeezing in. I don't know. Here, 70 allowed, you have just seen 70 allowed, and suddenly somebody is just using the lane. Then later I realized in the rearview mirror, okay, there was needed to turn. Some we must overtake. Again, the invisible car. Zoomed a little bit in. Alright. But now, this is not speeding up. This is not speeding up. Why is it not speeding up? Yeah, why I have to brake until 60? If previously I was going 100. Why to squeeze in? We know this. We know this traffic light, right? So look, now it's green, now it's blinking green, now it's orange, now it would be red. Morning traffic, everybody's in a hurry. This little red car, I also tend to stay on the right hand side because I have to get off there. Yeah? And even if the person in front of me is not going too fast, I will stay on the right hand side because I don't want to do exactly what is happening here. There would have been plenty of room for this person to merge, and now he's cutting in front of this car, yeah, the black car, because it has to go off. And it's not really a brake check, but it's stupid, simply. A lot of traffic, you see, a lot of traffic here inside the town. But this Mercedes driver is not. We have to go further. And congratulations, yeah, 2 places further. this was really worth the effort, I would say. One-way street on the right hand side, you see the arrow, and suddenly, yes, not for this. Not for this car. One-way street, yeah, sure. Here we're going up the hill. I must confess, this car in front of me was really slow. Yeah? And this also Mercedes, but this really was powerful, it seems. But I know crossing double lines, crossing just to be a little bit faster. Shortly after this, I don't know, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Ideal position to pass this slow car. Always in a hurry, the people. Always in a hurry. This time I've seen the pedestrian soon enough. Yeah. Slowed down. Pedestrian was also happy. Hello, hello. This is actually how it should be. Yeah. This time I paid attention, not like last time. Here on the right hand side you see somebody parking in the roundabout. Somebody parking. Now it's causing a lot of confusion. I mean, why? Yeah, why don't get there's a gas station. Here, yeah, of course we have to go at maximum speed, at maximum possible speed through this corner, because it's not narrow at all. No. We know this street. Yeah. Like I said, I always stay here on the left side. Behind me, BMW. I already expected the BMW to get nervous a little bit behind me, because even if there is 70 is never enough. It's not tolerable. But it was not the BMW, surprisingly. It was not the BMW this time. Surprisingly, it's this Ford. And we are going 70, yeah? We are going 70, maybe a little bit more even, yeah? They have to pass, they're squeezing in front of me. They also have to turn left here, and there's a red traffic light. You see this red traffic light from pretty far behind. So there is absolutely no point in being sooner at a red traffic light. I don't know. This is exactly the situation where the Mercedes in the night, but the Mercedes was not the only one who is passing something. It's a bus. I mean, if it would be a farmer with his tractor. Also here, the invisible car. I really have to look at my car. What is in front of this? Just squeezing out there. Why? This is always a nice situation here. Here we have double lanes. Here the double lane started. Audi is getting nervous, and now the Audi realized, hey, there is another traffic also. So it's rolling further, and now only the right lane is going straight. And I'm pretty sure this person knew that it's going inside. 2 places more. 2 places. If it would be a race. Here also. Here the 2 lanes are merging. Everybody knows that. And these are all numbers from local numbers. So we have to get past this truck. But it's not the only one. From the backside, another car is now appearing, realizing, hey, we have to squeeze. A little bit more patience would take a lot of pressure. Here, passing this truck must be passed, even if some other truck is approaching. Everything is fine, but I would not have passed it. 5 seconds, 10 seconds, maybe 10 seconds later. This is the road. You can easily pass 3-lane road without oncoming traffic. 50, behind me, a Mercedes, also getting impatient. I'm not sure why we always have to accelerate before people. If there is the end of town sign and you see it, you're still inside the town. And here's the reason why I do not like to take taxis. Because they're always speeding. They're always speeding. They are always stopping somewhere, simply let people in and out. And I don't like that. I don't like that. And even if I'm a passenger, I don't like it if this person is speeding with me. Squeeze in. If this car would speed up, but no, it's not speeding up. I have to brake here somewhere. Granted, it was a little bit close, because I always thought we're going to speed up, and I just released the accelerator. I don't want to brake. The invisible car. The invisible car episode, I don't know. Again, this situation, this is really annoying people. If you go, there is 70, and this is a GPS speedometer what we see here, so there should be around 70, really exact. 70 is never enough. Going the speed limit is never enough, never ever. Again, the red traffic light. Just push the accelerator to be sooner at the red traffic light. Like I said, you see those traffic lights very, very soon. Here is 100. Speed limit is never enough, not tolerable. And here some beautiful winter landscape. This is the end of our video for this time. So you see, we've got snow this winter. If you don't remember, it was only some days, granted. But there was beautiful dawn. Thank you very much for listening. Goodbye.